bread slices, onions, tomatoes, capsicum, butter, salted or unsalted, cheese slices, chili flakes, pepper powder, and some needed salt. You can add some toppings on the bread. Onions, capsicums or tomatoes or anything you want. Now you can add some cheese slices, or you can even add mozzarella cheese. Sprinkle some chili flakes and pepper powder. In a tawa, add 2 tablespoons of butter. Keep the flame in low. Otherwise, the bread will be burned. Now place the bread. Now close this with a lid for 2 to 3 minutes. And finally our bread pizza is ready. This is very tasty, guys. Please try it in your house. Make sure to subscribe, like and comment down your feedbacks. Bye. See you on our next video.